So, hello everyone. Good morning. Ano pala? It's hapon na. It's evening here in Philippines. So, uh, I just want to share a very new unboxing. And this is so exciting because it was from a company named Phillook Art. So, actually, ano sila they watch my video about the diamond painting art, and then they send an email and they want to collab ba tawag dyan? It's a collaboration with Phillook Art Company. Ayan. Thank you so much, Phillook Art Company, and thank you for trusting my channel. And for today's video is we will unbox this one. Yung English tayo kasi English yung company nila So, ayan na. Scissors check. Ayan. So, we will do the unboxing and review about this sample. This is sample of their product ba tawag dyan? So, wait lang. So, ayan, again, Phillook Art, thank you so much. Thank you for the trust and thank you. So, unbox ko na siya kay. Actually, nag-aantay sila At saka, I'm so excited because this is, parang painting yata. Diamond painting lang Kakaiba talaga to siya kasi it was from sa company siya galing. So, hala. Wait lang. Grabe. Parang to siya, from Philippines, from CN, sabi nila CN China From China to Philippines. Hala, baka mali ako ba? Sorry na lang pag mali ako So, excited ang person. Wait lang. Ay, tama talaga siya. My God. So, this is it. Ayan. Wala, ang haba niya, diba? So, this is it. Pansit. Wait lang. Ayan, Phillook Art. Phillook Art Company. Again, thank you so much. Parang may bago na naman tayong pagpupuyatan. May bago na naman tayong pagpupuyatan. As in, pa siya, Ayan. Itanong ko kung saan sila galing. Ayan, Phillook Art Company. Thank you for the trust and for the support. Thank you. Even though I'm just a new channel pa tawag siya. So, ayan siya. Kasi ang haba niya. Ano kaya laman nito? Kasi they sent me a sample of diamond painting. There are so many lots of diamond painting designs. And then I choose the iris. Alam ko iris to Pero madami silang wala, Diyos ko, tabang mga langit. As in, ang laki niya. Ano to? Ito. Wala, as in, grabe, ang dami. Ito yung Isis pala. Phillook Art, Isis. Ito yung napili ko. Actually, they have so many designs out there. You can check their company para makita nyo. Ayan, ito na siya. Work in section, organized. Ayan. So, parang kumpleto yata to. And this one is, ano to? Check natin kay maraming Ay! Ayun, yung pang-wax ba? Tapos ano to? Yung mga and para to sa diamond, diamond beads. Diamond beads ba tawag dun? And, yung tray nyo, ibig sabihin, ang laki nito niya pa. Ano bang size nito? Parang, hindi ako sure. Meron siyang Ano to, Chani? Ang bongga! their pen is, yung parang pang-dot-dot. Bongga ang pen nila. Pen ba to, babe? Tama ba to? Tama ba yung ano? Wala, hindi ko alam. Wala, as in, bonggang-bongga yung ano nila. Ayun, oh. It's my first time to maka-receive nito. And this one, parang siyang chani. Pang ano ba to? Complete set talaga siya. Ayan, thank you, Philuk Art Company. Thank you. And, meron pang wax. Ano pa ba yun? At saka yung lagayan ng beads. And this is the most exciting part. Wait lang. Ala, oy. Kuyawan, masagdaan ni oy. Hala, my goodness. Hala ka. Hala, sobrang so many colors. Wait lang. Almahan lang natin. Ayan, hala, ang dami, os. Let me check if how many colors. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25. Hala, ang dami, parang nasa 30 colors yata. And then this is the palaka. Palaka, ang laki. My goodness, it's very huge. Hala. Doon nga sa paru-paro ko na maliit lang, inabot ako ng 1 month, 2 months. Ito pa kaya, siguro, hala, grabe, it's beautiful. The Isis ba talaga? Isis design. Ano ba to? Wait lang, ha? Hala, grabe, ang ganda. It's, parang, 1 year ko yata itong matapos. Ayan, Philuk Art, thank you so much. Ayan, this is so beautiful. This one, they have so many designs, but I choose this one because of the wings. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high. Ano pala? Actually, 38 colors. So, ang tanong ba? Anong petsa ko matapos to? Grabe, sobrang laki niya, oh. My God. It's like, ano ba to? Wait lang. Ano ba itong natawag nila na ano? May ano dito, yung by ba? 13 by ganun. 75 by 13 by 11. So, grabe. Parang, ano to, 1 taon na kung magpupuyat. Diyos ko lang. Kasi, napanood nung Philuk Art yung video ko na diamond painting. Tapos, ito na nga, nag-send sila ng email and then magbigay daw sila ng free sample. Tapos, ito, free lang to siya ha, from China siguro. CN kasi nakalagay doon eh. From China to Philippines. So, I got it yesterday. I received it yesterday, September 28, 29. September 28. So, kailangan ko na to siya umpisahan. My God, grabe. Ang tanong, wala kasi akong table na malaki. So, ibig sabihin, magdut-dut ako. Wala ba? Kinakabahan mo ako. Oh, grabe. Pero in fairness, ang ganda niya. Very huge, a huge one. And 38 colors. My God, bakbaka na naman to. Actually, puyat-puyatan to ba? Kailangan ko to siya matapos kasi they need my review, and then they need the video that I'm doing it. I'm doing their design. So, ayan. Thank you so much, Philuk Art Company. Thank you. And I will start it tonight. I will start it tonight because this is a very, very huge one. Oy. Grabe na ite. Sobrang ano. Kaya ko to. Siguro, wala na akong gagawin. Baka hindi na ako makalive. Magdut-dut na lang ako magdut-dut. So, again, thank you so much, Philuk Art Company. Thank you for the trust. And, check mo na lang yung mga, kasi kailangan, ito pa pala, this one. Meron pa pala siyang naiwan. Ano to? Ay, kikika. Ay, kaya pala daming wax kasi nga, kailangan natin to maraming wax. Kasi, sobrang dami, 38 colors. 38 ba naman colors? Ito, Isis kasi Isis design. Actually, marami talaga doon. Mamili na lang kayo. Wait lang. And, you can check their, ano ba tawag dyan? Link ba tawag doon? I will put the link on my description and then you can check. You can check ganun. Ano ba to? So, that's all for today. Again, Philuk Art Company, thank you. Actually, meron silang yun. Ano ba to? Start date, complete, personal creation record. Wala, kailangan pa pala i-record to. Step-by-step instruction. Kit. Actually, meron silang meron silang pa-card. Meron din silang they have website on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. So again, thank you, Philuk Art, and see you on my next vlog. So, i-vlog natin po next So, ayan, thank you for watching, everyone, and to all my members out there, thank you, and sa mga supporters, thank you, gifters, super chatters, super stickers, thank you so much, and take care. See you! Bye!